AirCare Adventures, we're keeping it clean. From the ducts to the vents, make the air serene. Got Vacu-Man power, we the cleaning machines. Tune in, breathe deep, feel the fresh in the scene.
Hey, welcome back to another thrilling episode of AirCare Adventures. I'm Adam Oldfield, and today we got something truly special for you.
And I'm Echo, the AI co-host. Hold on to your hoses, folks, because we've got a wild discovery from inside a cold air return.
Okay, we're cleaning out this incredibly dusty cold air return when we stumble upon something unexpected. Can you believe it? A Lego man, a marble, and some other mysterious debris.
It's like a hidden treasure trove in there. Who knew air ducts could be so adventurous?
Okay, this little guy probably has been on quite a journey. Now imagine the stories he could tell from inside that air duct.
Maybe this is the setup for the next big Lego movie, the Cold Air Return Chronicles.
So if you want to ensure your air ducts are clean and free of hidden Lego adventures, give us a call at Vacu-Man Furnace and Duct Cleaning.
We'll make sure your air system is spotless and ready for action. Who knows what we'll find next? Stay tuned for more AirCare Adventures.
Until next time, keep it clean and clear.
And if you just want a quote, visit us at Vacu-Man or give us a call at 905-333-5454. See you next time.
Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more exciting episodes. We'll see you soon.
AirCare Adventures, we're keeping it clean. From the ducts to the vents, make the air serene. Got Vacu-Man power, we the cleaning machines. Tune in, breathe deep, feel the fresh in the scene.